Go to Settings button. Go to Notifications
So if your
button.
LG Smart
Go to
TV is
Settings
speaking
button.
every
Go to
menu
Guide
option,
button.
every
Go to
button,
Search
or
button.
every setting
Go
out
to Guide
loud,
button.
you came to the right
Sports for
place.
17
In this
app
tutorial,
list.
I'm going to
1.
show you
Sports.
exactly how to turn the
Service
voice
card
guide
list.
on
1.
or off
Games.
on your
Best
LG
gaming
Smart TV
experience.
step by step. The first thing which you're going to do is to click on the Settings button on your remote, and that's going to open this side menu.
Button.
If you have an option called All
Tablet.
Settings, then tap on that option. But some of you will see a little gear icon at the top, and we're going to click on that gear icon in order to open the settings menu on our LG TV.
Picture. Tab.
From this page,
1 of
we'll
4.
expand the General
Sound.
section.
Tab. 2 of
After
4.
that, you're looking
General.
for
Tab. 3
accessibility.
of 4. Accessibility.
And here's the option
Accessibility.
which we're looking
Audio
for.
guidance on.
It's called
This
audio
feature
guidance.
describes
So just make
audio
sure that the
guidance.
Enable this
Enable
function
function.
switch is
On.
disabled or turned off. Once you turn this off, the TV is going to stop speaking, and you can enjoy watching your favorite TV shows and movies from now on.